Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video. It's been sitting out here working on things. Sitting out here working on my box, trying to put it in a new spot. I'm gonna go back this way with it. I'm gonna go back this way with it and hope this work out, because you know I kind of like it this way. So you know, I had listened to it and did a couple of test frequencies with it and all that stuff. It's hitting much harder that way, man, unbelievably. You know, and man, I was like, man, you know, we're gonna roll down the windows a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and play something real quick. You guys can check it out. Here we go. Okay.
I'm a money spent.
It's a lot of rattling now, y'all. We're gonna try something else real quick. All right, one more last one, y'all. Let's see.
Shorty, be careful, don't spill on my drip. We got the strap in the spot, so it's lit. Stay moving tech, can't get left on my dick. It's right, so I'm back. I got me another. Block and start punches. Stop it. Why the fuck am I always a topic? Watching my pocket. In the form. He too flashy, I think that I want it. Niggas hate like it's something they pay to do. Moving tactics, move how I play them. Shit. I could go put bread on my wrist. I don't know why you niggas exist. I could build it, just send me the brick. You little bitch on my dick like some licks. After that kick her out, she pissed. That's all it took for a nigga. Back and forth, we can't do debate. Niggas be sliding strap in the spot so it's lit. Stay moving tight, kicking left eye lit. I just wanna chill, I might take a sip. So shorty, be careful, don't spill on my drip. We got the strap in the spot so it's lit. Stay moving tight, kicking left eye lit.
Some songs you just be wishing is long by the time I decide to get up.
We got the strap in the spot so it's lit. Stay moving tight, kicking left eye lit.
Why not? You know. We're gonna do a little of this just to see how it sounds again, but it sounds good, y'all. We're gonna do the SBL test on it probably a little bit later. See, it still had that versatility. I done heard that song on plenty of YouTube videos, and I did not know it banged like that. You know, so I think we're gonna keep it like that for about a few days and see how it goes. You know, like the title gonna be, you know, y'all will see what the title is. Though I still gotta decide on the title. Sometimes I just get out here and just do a video just for the heck of it. You know what I'm saying? But it sounds good, man. It sounded good with the box up too, though, but I like it. I think I'm gonna like it this way. So I hope you like the video, and if you do, smash that like button. If you're new and love car audio and wants to learn car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.